Danny Hayasaka with Colony, helping people do their business better. Today we're going to take a look at the Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700 UC and the Bose QuietComfort 45. So the Bose QuietComfort 45 were recently introduced. They started shipping. I know I had ordered them a while back and they just showed up. I wanted to talk about these because a lot of folks, especially those in white collar jobs that are working remotely, that have the means to pay for these expensive headphones, and they're utilizing them with Microsoft Teams, with Zoom, with Cisco WebEx, with Google Meet. They're not optimized for those platforms. And so for that, I would go with the Bose 700 UC if you want to go with the Bose and you like their active noise canceling capabilities. But the thing that is really different from the QuietComfort is that little guy right there. So that little dongle is what's going to give you call control. And then if you look at the Bose 700 UC, it has a dedicated Microsoft Teams button. The Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700 UC come in at an MSRP of $449. The QuietComfort 45s come in at $329. Both compatible with Bluetooth. The version 5.0 is on the 700 UC and version 5.1 for the QuietComfort QC boomless mic headphones. Battery life, you get 20 hours of battery life on the Bose 700 UC and 24 hours of battery life, or up to 24 hours of battery life on the QC 45. Again, they do offer fantastic active noise canceling, and I'm going to try to test that, right? So I'm going to set this up, I'm going to put a camera here, I'm going to hook up the little mic and shove it in the speaker there, and we're going to try to test ANC works between the QC 45 and the 700 UC. Anyway, let's just get these guys set up, and then you guys can hear for yourselves how well they block out active noise canceling, and also how well they sound paired to a computer. I'm going to pair the Bose via the dongle, the 700 UC via the dongle, and I'm going to pair the Bose QC45 directly to my laptop via Bluetooth. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm back. Now I have the Bose 700 UC connected to my laptop via the USB dongle, and I have this camera set up with the little microphone inside the speaker there, and I have this camera over here to capture the outside audio, and then I have this one here that's capturing the mic quality from the Bose 700 so that you can hear what the microphones sound like. And then you'll also, with this camera over here, or microphone that's connected, be able to hear the active noise canceling strength. So with that, we're just going to go right into a very loud volume so that you guys can hear. All right, so there we go. So that's on. And right now I have it in aware mode, so let's change that.
Showroom or online at fairs.com. This 13 is brought to you by the Access. Here for good. Here are your winning lottery numbers.
I don't know if this is where it's important to have the mobile app open, because then you can hear for yourselves how well or what strength level your active noise canceling is on. Now with the Bose QC45, that's not going to be an issue because we only have two options. It's either quiet or not. But anyway, so here we are with the Bose 700. Hopefully that gives you somewhat of an idea of how well or how poor the ANC works. But I'm here to tell you personally, when I'm using it with my mobile device, the ANC works pretty well. That's the Bose 700 UC. Let's jump into the QC45, which should be easier. Again, two functions only in the ANC, or two modes. So let's do that next. Now we're back. Now we have the Bose QC45 or QuietComfort 45. And again, there's only two modes. You have ANC or quiet and aware. So right now I'm in aware mode, and I'm going to go ahead and, crank that volume up. All right. So right now, this guy here can probably hear really well because I have it on aware mode. So now I'm going to turn it on quiet. Okay, so now I'm in quiet mode. Test 1 2. Test 1 2. This is the Bose QuietComfort QC45.
Um, Let me go ahead and make this down here. I have to say that comfort-wise, these are more comfortable than these 700 UC for me, my head, my shape, my ear size. For me, these Quiet Comfort 45s are more comfortable. But anyway, that's my 2 cents on the Bose 700 UC versus the Bose QC 45. I don't know. Again, I think that they're both good headsets, or headphones, I should say. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.